Now, Gauteng Premier David Makhura has suspended the head of the Provincial Health Department, Umkhululi Lukele. The Special Investigating Unit recommended the suspension after it found COVID-19 contracts were awarded irregularly. Yesterday, eNCA revealed the City of Johannesburg blew 80 million rand in the first 2 weeks of the state of disaster. Of that, 20 million rand was spent deep cleaning the municipal offices in March, even though staff had been sent home. Barry Bateman takes a closer look at how that money was spent.
On the 31st of March, South Africa had recorded 1,350 COVID-19 cases. The country was in lockdown and most government employees were working from home. Yet, the city of Joburg had already spent 18 million rand deep cleaning some of its offices. What's more, the service providers were appointed even before prices for their services were agreed on. The cleaning rates varied between 26 and 401 rand per square metre. It was calculated that the city was overcharged by 9 million rand, more than double what it should have been charged. Now, internal auditors are on the case. An audit report littered with examples of irregularities and downright unlawful conduct. In some cases, only one quote was obtained for a service. In others, no explanation was provided for a deviation. From overpriced gloves and face masks and substandard sanitizer to instances where the city was not even lawfully allowed to incur expenses. One of the lockdown regulations stated that municipalities would identify patient isolation sites, but the health department would provide the resources. Despite this, Joburg spent 11 million rand furnishing several such sites. The municipality insists heads will roll, but it is waiting for a full forensic report.
Once this report is concluded this week, a team of investigators come in and we deal with individuals that deliberately flouted the laws. Because as an employee that is employed and in the procurement space, the understanding is that you are qualified and you understand the regulations that guides the processes. But if you deliberately disregard those, it means it's negligence or it's corruption or dereliction of duties. So action must be taken.
This audit covers a period of only 15 days. So Joburg ratepayers are in for a big shock when the final forensic report reveals how their taxes were spent over a longer period. Barry Bateman, Pretoria.